Hello everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to find workspace URL in Slack. Finding your workspace URL in Slack might sound like a trivial task, but it's actually a fundamental step for anyone who wants to use Slack efficiently. This is particularly important when you're accessing Slack from a new device or when you need to invite colleagues into your workspace. Having quick access to your workspace URL can streamline these processes, making your experience with Slack much more seamless and efficient. Alright, let's dive into the steps you need to follow. To begin with, open your favorite web browser and head over to the Slack website. This can be done by typing Slack into any search engine, or more directly, by entering slack.com into the browser's address bar. Once you've landed on the Slack homepage, you'll find yourself at the entry point to all your Slack workspaces. Now, let's get you signed in. Look for the Sign In button, which is prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on this button, and you'll be directed to a page that presents you with several sign-in options, each designed to make the login process as smooth as possible. If you've already linked your Google account with Slack, you'll see a convenient option to sign in with Google. This feature allows you to bypass the need for remembering yet another password. Simply click on that option, and you'll be taken to a Google sign-in page, where you can choose the specific Google account that is associated with your Slack workspace. Once you've selected your Google account, you may need to confirm your choice. Look for a button labeled Continue, and click it. This is an important step, as it grants Slack permission to access your Google account, providing a seamless sign-in experience. It's all about simplifying your login process. Having successfully authenticated, Slack might suggest downloading the desktop app. However, for this tutorial, we will focus on using the web version. So, locate a link or button that says something similar to Use Slack in your browser. This option is ideal if you prefer not to install additional software on your device, or if you're accessing Slack from a shared or temporary computer. Once you're in the Slack web app, you'll need to find your workspace name. This is usually located in the top left corner of your screen. Depending on how your Slack is set up, you might see your organization's name or a specific workspace name. Click on this name, and a drop-down menu will appear, offering various options and settings. Within this menu, you'll again see your workspace name, but this time it will be clickable. Clicking on your workspace name does more than just acknowledge your workspace. It opens up an area where you can explore deeper customization options and settings. But what we're focused on in this tutorial is finding your workspace URL. At this point, you should see your Slack workspace URL directly in the browser's address bar. This URL typically looks something like yourcompany.slack.com. To capture this URL, simply highlight it in the address bar. You can then right-click and select Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on a Windows computer, or Command+C if you're on a Mac. And there you have it. You've effectively located and copied your Slack workspace URL. This URL is essentially your key for quick and direct access to your workspace from any browser. It's particularly useful for logging in quickly, sharing with new team members, or setting up integrations and bots that work within Slack. Remember, Slack is designed to make work communication straightforward and efficient. Knowing how to quickly find and utilize your workspace URL is just one of the many small tricks that can enhance your Slack experience, whether you're a newcomer or a seasoned user. Thanks for following along with this guide, and happy Slacking. Hopefully this tutorial helped you understand how to find workspace URL in Slack quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like how to find workspace URL in Slack, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online.